Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft launcher is currently not available in your account in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. Select the profile icon and select sign out. And after signing out, you just need to close stuff here. Right click on the date and time over here and select adjust date and time. You just need to turn on set time zone automatically and set the time automatically, turn it on, and you just need to scroll down, select sync now option. After getting done, you just need to select a language and a region. In country or region, click on this drop down and select your correct country or region over here, and after that go back to apps and select install apps. Search for Minecraft. Click on the three dot icon next to it and select the advanced options. Just need to scroll down and select the terminate and select the repair option and select the reset option. After getting done, you just need to go to search over here and type store. Click on open the find and fix the problem with Windows Store apps. Click on open it. Select this advanced check mark and select next. Select next. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type wsreset. Comes up run command, click on open it. After opening the Microsoft Store, select the profile icon and select sign in and log into your account. After login to your account, now you can open the Minecraft without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.